Hi, I'm Ellen Adams from redhotdish.com, and today I'm making Redskin Potato Salad. So I've got about 2 pounds of potatoes here, and these are the nice red potatoes. So I cut them in half before I boiled them just to speed up the process a little bit. But this is too big for potato salad, so you're going to want to cut them. So you can just put them down and quarter them. Make them into bite-sized pieces, just like that. So that's about the size that you want, or even a little bit smaller, depending on your preference. A piece like that you can cut into thirds. So you just want them relatively small so you don't have to eat your potato salad with a knife and a fork. There we go. So we'll get this chopped up. Okay, now this is a low-fat version of potato salad. So to it, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of low-fat Italian dressing, and that's going to give it some flavor. I have 1/2 cup of no-fat mayonnaise, and that's going to give it that creaminess that we love in our potato salad. I have about 1/2 cup of red onion, so we'll get that in there, and a rib of celery, all chopped up into a nice dice, and I will get that in there. And I'm just going to give it a quick fold. And there you have Redskin Potato Salad.